Hey guys, it's your favorite chaplain. I thought I'd do something a little bit different here, hanging out with a couple of cool bunnies. And for Easter, just hanging out here, we're gonna check out my wife. Many of you know that my wife loves to cook. She's really good at it. She has a ridiculous collection of cookbooks, and this isn't even remotely close to all of them. And so I decided I'm gonna surprise her by just popping in every once in a while and see what she's cooking and see if she can explain it for you guys. So let's see what she's doing. All right, let's go check out Kerri's kitchen. Hello.
Are you recording this?
Of course. What are you doing over here?
Well, get ready to cook a turkey.
So what's all that?
This is carrots, onions, celery, garlic, parsley, bay leaves,
Wow.
and this, my bag of rosemary from my garden.
And you kept that since last year?
Yeah, you want to smell it?
Of course. Can you guys smell that? Smells like rosemary.
Smells like summer.
So you kept that from our garden last year?
Yeah, look at all.
And how did you do that?
So I hang it, you tie it in bunches with the, what do you call that, kitchen string. Hang it in the basement until it's all dry. You have to make sure it's crisp and dry, like falling off, see? Because one year I didn't. It wasn't quite dry enough, and I put it in the bag and then it got moldy. And I was so upset because I had to throw it all in the garbage.
Okay, so all this and then what? You put the turkey right on top of that?
Turkey's gonna go on top. I gotta put some salt and pepper and, oh, the rosemary. Turkey will go on top, and that's what this stuff is for. This is gonna go in the turkey. What are you doing?
I'm videoing
You're
it.
not going a close-up.
I've done close-ups.
This is what I'm stuffing the turkey with. Apples, onion, garlic, and lemon.
Oh, that's going inside the turkey.
That's going inside the turkey.
So this is at the bottom, the turkey goes on top of it.
Yeah. This, the
That
chopped
goes
celery and onion, is for meme stuffing, which maybe I'll show you later. Okay, bye.
All right, we'll come back later. Ooh, let's go see what's next in Kerri's kitchen.
Okay. Hi, Dave.
All right, what are you doing now? What's over here? What do you have?
This bag. This is all the scraps whenever I'm cooking a turkey or a chicken. I save all the onion peels, the carrot peelings, the ends of everything, some herbs, even garlic peels, so that when you make your broth with the bones, you have all of this flavor.
Sounds like a great dessert.
That's what you'll find in my freezer all the time.
Just kidding.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay.
Okay, we have to hurry up because I need to put this in.
Did you turn the oven on at least?
Yes, well, just now. Olive
where's
oil.
Did you save the neck for me, Clark?
Oh, we got ripped off. There was no neck
Oh.
in this one. I know, I like to have the neck in the bottom of the pan.
Okay, so you got olive oil on the skin.
Olive oil on the skin. Okay. And then we'll put lots of salt. Pepper. This is my favorite herbs from Epicure. It's called Holiday.
A little bit of a name drop there.
If you don't have that, you can just sprinkle some thyme and rosemary on the top, but look, it makes it really pretty. Oh, I gotta put the butter in there, I forgot. Hold on. Please hold. Please hold. So, and on the bottom, you put the wings underneath the turkey to help it stay upright. And I put this, I season little pats of butter, you can see, garlic powder, salt, pepper, some of that herbs, and just stick it under the skin. Then you can season the breast, and since it's cold, so it's not falling apart, and you just tuck it under there. And then you'll have seasoned turkey breast.
I can almost taste it.
Yeah, and it keeps it moist too. Then we're gonna stuff it with what I showed you earlier. The herbs, the apple, the onions, and the garlic.
Right inside there.
See that? Putting that in there. Isn't it pretty?
It's beautiful.
Okay, that is all.
Okay, we'll be back for more. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce you to something that we lovingly call Mimi's stuffing, or meat stuffing as opposed to bread stuffing. So what's in here?
This is ground pork and ground beef, so it's 2 to 1. 2 beef to 1 pork. Onions, celery. I put a garlic in there. I don't think Mimi used to do that, but I did. And then we're gonna add poultry seasoning and sage.
Poultry seasoning and sage,
yeah.
and that's...
And then this is chicken broth. This is homemade chicken broth, but you can use a box. And then I will peel and dice a potato and put it in there, and it'll simmer for a few hours on the stove.
Perfect. And that's good with?
Everything.
Yeah?
My gosh. No. We always have it on holidays. With turkey, you can have it with roast chicken. It's even better than next morning with eggs.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
More to come soon.
Bye.
Okay, now that that's in the oven, it's snack time. What are we making now?
I did a veggie tray. Here. Wash some red grapes.
And how are you making your...
2 different kinds of dips. Light sour cream, light Hellman's mayo. I'm just going to use ranch for one. And then Temptations sesame parm perfection. I love Temptations.
All right.
But I'm also going to add Epicure artichoke dip mix.
It's the battle of the brands.
I'm gonna
Epicure,
put this
Temptations.
Make my own cake.
We'll call it Epitemptation.
Yeah.
Adios.
Okay, bye.
Okay, now it's time for an update on Mimi's stuffing. You can hear it bubbling.
You can see it bubbling.
Wish
See
you
how-
guys could smell it. We need to invent smell-o-vision.
You see how it turned dark? Yeah. If you look, the chicken broth is in there. That's all the sage and the poultry seasoning. I did put bay leaf in there, couple, and then I saved the reserved fat in case at the end you need a little bit of flavor.
Little
Fat.
plug for the mustard seed there, shameless.
Oh yeah. Fat equals flavor. Sorry.
Whoa, we got to tweet that out. Say that again.
Fat equals flavor. And the final step is to tear up 2 pieces of bread and mix it in, and it brings all the stuffing together.